Hi students, in this lecture we will understand the last macro facility, that is macro instructions defining macros. When a macro definition is present inside another macro definition, then it is referred as macro instruction defining macros. Suppose if I take this is one macro and you have got so many statements. So in this one again you have got another macro. So now I write this is meant and here you have got meant. So a macro definition is used inside another macro definition. So this we call it as macro instructions defining macros. And you have to observe here, this inner macros will be defined only when the outer macro is called. So let us understand by taking a small example. So here we have defined two macros. One is the macro named define with one argument, that is sub. Then another macro named as sub with one variable y. So now when you observe here, I have written the sub macro within the macro that is defined. So now this becomes the definition of inner macro named as sub, and from here to here it becomes the definition of the outer macro named as define. So now when the inner macro is to be defined, that happens only when this outer macro define is called. So now when you take, for example, I have written here define cos. So define is the name of the macro and cos is the variable. So when I call define cos, then only the macro named as same, that is cos, will be defined. So the advantage of this facility is it simplifies the procedure to define many similar macros. Thank you.